All right. So I think you can see by the video title, I didn't blow my account yet, but it's basically blown. Looking at this, this is the price action from today. It's not bad, but like I missed an entry again. Like this is not that like I'm not that mad about this, but this was just I wasn't focused. I just didn't see it. Yeah, it's not that I did something here, but yeah, this I just didn't see because of like it wasn't that easy to spot. Like I was looking at this, this should have been my entry. I looked at it, but it wasn't my entry. I was looking at the lows, but it is above second stage distribution, and my rules tell me that that is also then a trade, which is this kind of trade. Let's see. So entry, or where is it? Yeah, the model. Yeah, if we are in a second stage distribution or above, then we can be looking for these entries, and I'm basically looking at this. So if I can, okay, I can't. I don't have a link to it. I'm noticing this now. I should have it going to there, but I think it's here as well. So if we are in a second stage distribution, then we can be looking for these entries. So felt to close below / above the same time frame as the singular FEG that you want to see get inverse. So here we felt to close below on the same time frame as we have the inversion. It's above the second stage distribution, looking at a market maker buy model in this case. Low risk buy, first stage distribution, second stage distribution. So either that or an SMT. So one of those, as an example, you can see it'd be low risk, first stage, second stage, felt to close below, break even, yeah. Yeah, this should have been an entry as well. Looking at the 2 minute, it was a single FEG. I was looking first at this as a 1 minute, but we had a SIBI here, another one here. I always look for singular ones, which on a 2 minute. And then this one could close above, but we didn't take out equal lows. But yeah, I was looking at the wrong thing. So this should have been my entry. You can see we didn't close below here, but on the ES we did. Felt to close below here. On the ES, it's not a market maker buy model, because this would be the smart money reversal, I would say, because this took out the liquidity. But here, first stage or smart money reversal, low risk buy, first stage, it's all above, like even, wouldn't even matter, maybe on the 5 minutes even more, or 4 minutes, yeah. 4 minutes, smart money reversal, first stage distribution, or low risk buy, first stage distribution, second stage. So yeah, so it should have been my entry. And kind of just thinking about this now, actually, I made a video, was it like a couple weeks ago, where I missed a setup, and I basically said, okay, next time when I take miss a winning trade that it was supposed to be a winning trade, then I just close the charts for the entire day, because my rules tell me if I have a winning day, then basically I'm done for the day. Like one win a day, I'm done for the day, or one loss and one win for the day, I'm done for the day, or two losses a day, I'm done for the day. But basically it should have been a W day for this, and I shouldn't even have taken this trade. I'm just realizing. So I should have just been, once this got hit, I should have just closed the charts. That was the entire day. Just thinking about it now. Yeah, missed this. So took another entry, which I think looked pretty good. We were in a single 50-minute gap here, and then drawn liquidity for me was bullish to 830 high here as well. And then what we had here is we dropped lower here a bit, taking out the liquidity inside the inefficiency. Have a really small gap here, closing above, that's my entry. A small push, recting off it again, small reaction again, and then just close below and even lower. So yeah, that was the loss that I took, and now the account is at 49,450. Normally drawn is 48k, because I was already up a bit, it got to 49,295. So that is, what is it, like not even $150 or around 150 max loss. Yeah, so this is basically the end for this account. Like it was more, I think, the idea of like, okay, 4 months, me developing my model, just slowly building it, and then eventually I am thinking that I will pass this account. But it was more that idea. So that's the thing I'm talking about my feelings now. That's the thing where I what is it, that I feel the most. Like that's the thing I feel the most now. Like with like I wanted to pass this account at like 4 months, 5 months, 6 months, like take a long time, but eventually pass it. But yeah, now 4 months, 5 months, and I failed it. So this is basically the 5th month I was going into this account. I don't know what this is. So yeah, started in October, 1st month, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th. And yeah, still after 5 months I blow an account, which is crazy. Like you would expect for it to pass, but yeah. I was still developing my model here in October, so that's totally okay. November, it's totally fine. And then December I just got crushed. But I've seen from data, December is not my best month for like the strategy, so that was fine. And then January, February, where I'm at now. So many trades that I missed, man. So I'm really thinking about like, okay, just looked at the recording. I know sorry, I hit my mic and the sound was gone, but yeah, I'm really thinking about like it's really annoying. If I miss a trade, it's basically already like done. Like that's not good. Like when you are missing a trade, it should still be profitable, right? But when it's for me, for these last few weeks, when I miss a trade, I miss a winning trade, like I have to take that winning trade, otherwise it's not profitable. That's what it's looking like now. But like I don't know, man, it's really hard. I don't know what to do in this situation, but I'm gonna buy a new account and gonna trade on there, just start over. Yeah, it was more like the idea 4 or 5 months, and then eventually I will pass it after a long time of not getting any sort of reward, not getting any sort of gratification, and then after all those months, then I pass it. But yeah, it wasn't the case for me. Which yeah, that's just it sucks. But yeah. How do I feel with emotions like after this trade or like passing this account? Like yeah, what I said, like it's more about after this many months I wanted it to pass, but I didn't. So kind of let myself down, which is yeah, not really that big, but I don't really feel that much of it, but still I did let myself down there. But yeah, you can't make promises with that. That was more like of the idea. Yeah, I just it's nothing too bad actually. I can just buy a new account, start over, and just go from there. But something, yeah, like I said, I'm repeating things because I'm still frustrated, of course. But yeah, it's just really annoying that once I miss a trade, it's basically not really profitable maybe. Like I'm backtesting as well every day still. And I take every trade that I should have taken, but let's say I wasn't on the charts. Let's say I didn't take 3 winning trades, which I should have taken, which was in this case 1 winning trade I should have taken, 2, 3, and then here before 4, maybe 5 as well, but not back to back. But still, it should be a profitable model. But for me, it's just really hard, man. Maybe it's not even a good strategy. I'm really yeah, maybe that's not it, but yeah, it sucks, man. Loading the account. I'm gonna take one more trade. What does it matter? Like I can take it like right now, $150. I'm max allowed to risk $285 per trade. I'm not gonna risk $150 and then build it from there. If I even can, like I'm not gonna do that at all. So I can just take an entry now and basically just gamble it. Because yeah, I'm just gonna buy a new one. Just took 1 loss today. Not gonna take anything after today. Because today I should have taken a W, which is that trade. So yeah, it's also like I'm really thinking about really trying to open up here as well, but with like this week, like with how I'm feeling with like this week, yeah, I'm not trading the day before Powell speaking, which is yeah, Powell speaking on Tuesday, so I'm not trading Monday. Powell speaking on Wednesday as well, so I'm trading after Tuesday. And then I'm already trading not these 2 days. And then Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, I am trading. But today I'm speaking after Powell. But still, like all this waiting and then just getting nothing is just kind of really, it's really frustrating. Really frustrating. And then for like multiple months, I don't know if there are probably other people as well which do it for a really long time. But I think I've developed some discipline with this. Like it's still the feelings that I have. It's just really annoying, just not getting any sort of reward, just not any at all. But yeah, I kind of just built discipline as well, which I think is maybe just looking at this account. I think that's the most important thing I got from this. which is good. Yeah, gonna buy a new account. Do I have to have a new approach to it? Definitely. I'm not gonna be trading today, so I'm just gonna skip the entire Wednesday, even though the AM session just ended. I'm not gonna trade this entire day because I should have taken a win this day. With my backtesting, I also want to implement maybe London session, see if my strategy is any good in London session, so I can, yeah, maybe trade a London session sometime. But yeah, I don't know, man. It's just hard, man. Not getting any sort of reward after all this time. But I'm just gonna buy a new account, start over. It's nothing too crazy, too big. But yeah, do I need to have a new approach to, like, if I'm gonna take the 50k? Do we have to have a new approach? I think I want to do add that to it as well. I want to journal more. Like, I want to do these trade recaps still, but I also want to journal it also in here, which is in this one. So I kind of didn't journal in this. I really wanted to actually, but I already was trading the account for 4 months. If I just journal it randomly in like the last month, it doesn't really matter. Like, you can't really have the progress showing there. But yeah, man. Yeah, kind of just talking all over the place because I'm, yeah, of course, frustrated. But yeah, just gonna buy a new account, start tomorrow all over again. Closing this account, can take a trade right away. Like, it doesn't really matter for me. I can just take a, what is it, like a mini. Honestly, it doesn't matter. NQ. Let's buy let's buy 3 of them. Yeah, it doesn't really matter. I don't even know where I'm filled here. It doesn't even show it. Yeah. Yeah, just gonna start tomorrow again. Gonna start over again, and yeah, that's basically it. I'm already max drawdown, so I don't know what happens here, but yeah, that's basically what I wanted to talk about. And yeah, just gonna play this out now, and don't really have anything to say now. I'm gonna wait until it closes me out of this, so I can actually, yeah. But I think if you, well, like, I already went below that drawdown, so it should be, I should be getting an email already, which I don't think I could just close it here and then, oh yeah, I took the profit. What the hell? All right, let's just take 1,000 and then let's take it off. But yeah, man, that's it. Like, I don't want to gamble this account as well. If I do get the profits here, like, that would be nice, but I think you just get an email and that says you can't trade it anymore. Yeah, you can close the video now if you want. I will be looking back at this in the future on this video, and I think probably if I just look at it, like, I'm really trying to imagine if I'm like 5 years in the future when I'm trading full time. I'm looking back at this video and then think back about this account as well, and hopefully I'll be thinking about it, which is then like, this is the account that learned me or gave me the most experience. Like, it isn't even real money, but it did give me the most amount of discipline ever. Like 4 or 5 months not getting any sort of reward, some winning trades, but not any, like, not what is it, like at the end of the finish line, something good, something like an actual reward. That wasn't the case, but yeah, just that I got the discipline out of this, like 5 months not getting any reward, and then still just going on, just continuing. Or I don't know, let me close it here. I don't know if this keeps holding, but yeah. Hopefully in 5 years, that's how I'll be looking back at it. And yeah, gonna still have this account, but I'm still gonna buy a new one, I think, if this one doesn't get closed, because this is not really fair, I would say. I don't even have the max amount of drawdown, so maybe I can just even take it again, another setup. Yeah, Just gonna make sure this account is gone so I can make a new one, because I just want to restart fully, man. Like a $800 drawdown, I'm not gonna try and do that. So yeah. Thank you for watching, and yeah, see you.